Have you ever had one tiny thought that suddenly multiplies like it's trying to start a whole family tree? That's overthinking. It's like your brain says, let's take something simple and make it dramatic for no reason. For example, you send someone a normal text like hey, and your brain immediately launches into a full investigation. Did you put too many Y's? Not enough Y's? Does hey make you sound weird? Should you have said hi instead? You check if they read it, if they didn't read it, if they opened the app, or if their phone breathed. Then 12 hours later, they reply with, sorry, I was napping. And you're like, napping? For half a day? Are you a cat? That's the thing about overthinking, your mind loves turning calm moments into dramatic movie trailers. And the funniest part? Most of what we overthink never actually happens. Ever send an email and reread it 28 times to make sure you don't sound rude? You switch hi to hello, then back to hi, then panic because maybe it's too friendly. Meanwhile, the person receiving it reads it once and goes, okay cool, and moves on with their life. No analysis. No hidden meaning. Just vibes. Overthinking is basically your brain trying to protect you but doing it in the most chaotic and unnecessary way possible. It's like having a tiny lawyer in your head preparing arguments for events that don't even exist. You drop your water bottle in public and instantly think, great, now everyone thinks I don't know how to function as a human. But honestly, everyone else is too busy overthinking their own life to remember your accidental bottle drop. They're starring in their own mental documentaries, just like you. The moment you realize this, life gets a little lighter. So the next time your brain starts creating wild scenarios, pause and ask yourself, is this actually happening? Or did my brain just get bored again? And if that doesn't help, try laughing at yourself. Seriously. Overthinking becomes much less scary when you treat it like a dramatic friend who exaggerates everything for entertainment. And hey, you made it through this whole video without overthinking whether you should watch it. That's already progress, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos just like this.